Hi, my name is Austin.
Hi, my name is MATEI.
Hi, my name is Mark, and we're gonna talk about DNA.
What is DNA?
In order to talk about DNA, we need to find out what is its purpose and what DNA is. DNA is the material that carries all the information about how all living creatures work, look, function, etc.
DNA strand, like me, is a blueprint for building a living thing.
For example, the DNA humans have determined our facial structures, eye color, the way our hair looks and feels. The way we look right now is because of the DNA in our bodies.
The history of DNA.
Now that we know what DNA is and its purpose, we can talk about the history of DNA. In 1869, DNA was discovered by a Swiss researcher that goes by the name of Friedrich Miescher. Well, he was looking at white blood cells, but instead he found a new molecule, nuclein, inside the nucleus. It was not until sometime later at Cambridge University that scientist James D. Watson declared to the rest of the world he had discovered the double helix structure inside the nucleus containing human DNA.
In Y, Francis, and I found it. And then I hope maybe I have at least 5 minutes to say what makes me tick now. Back of me is a picture of me when I was 17. I was at the University of Chicago in my third year, and I was in my third year because the University of Chicago would let you in after 2 years of high school, so you it was fun to get away from high school.
Is the structure of DNA seen as a double helix?
The first picture of a DNA double helix was discovered on May 6, 1952, at King's College by a person who goes by the name of Rosalind Franklin. The reason DNA has the shape of a double helix is because it allows replication and protein synthesis to occur, which we will get into later.
What is DNA made of?
What is DNA made of? DNA is made up of molecules called nucleotides. Each nucleotide contains 3 components: a phosphate group, which is one phosphorus atom bonded to 4 oxygen atoms, a sugar molecule, and a nitrogen base. The 4 types of nitrogen bases are adenine, which is a capital A, thymine, which is a capital T, guanine, which is a capital G, and cytosine, which is a capital C. And together, these serve as the letters that make up the genetic code of our DNA.
What is DNA replication?
DNA replication is the process by which DNA makes a copy of itself during cell division, and these are its 4 steps. I'm going to talk about the first 2. The double-stranded molecule has to be unzipped into 2 single strands before anything else starts. Primer binding, a region of a nucleotide sequence where an RNA or DNA single-stranded primer binds to start replication.
The other 2 steps are elongation, the stage when the RNA strand gets longer thanks to the addition of new nucleotides, and the other step is termination, the ending of a transcription. It occurs when RNA polymerase causes a stop sequence in the gene.